Welcome to Crystal's Bread. Today I'm going to show how to make raisin walnut bread. To do that, we need to prep the raisin and walnut. But if you prefer different nuts and dried fruit, you can choose whatever you want. So for walnut, cut it in a piece and toast it in an oven, 350 Fahrenheit, for 8 to 12 minutes to get a golden color. For raisin, you soak it in a hot water 20-30 minutes until water cools down, and you drain it and pat dry. So toasted walnuts are ready to go and raisins I pat dry. But these ingredients gonna go to the last minute. Once we mix all the bread dough and then knead it for 10-15 minutes, form the gluten. The last minute we're gonna add these two ingredients. So I'm gonna mix my bread dough now. It has been 3 hours and dough rose twice as the size. We're gonna make two little oval shaped bread. So the dough color has gotten a little tone because of the nut and skin in the nut, and dry fruit will change the color a little bit. Raisin and walnut bread is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to score the bread and put it in the oven. now you know how to make walnut raisin bread. Make your own walnut raisin bread. Enjoy it. Until next time.